guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making deviled eggs for my family for Easter. So what you need to do for this recipe is boil your eggs for 7 minutes, then put them in an ice bath for 4 minutes, and that makes it easier to peel. Then you need to get a cutting board out and cut your eggs long ways, and take a little spoon and dish out the yolks into a bowl, and then mash them up with a fork like I did right here. And that's where we are, so let's get right into what we need to do from here. So these are the ingredients. It's 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of best-in-class mayonnaise, Sir Kensington with avocado oil. The 2 best things in deviled eggs is best-in-class eggs, which I have for my chickens, and best-in-class mayonnaise, that is Sir Kensington. So, we have 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Let's put that in there. Then we have the apple cider vinegar. Mash that up. And now we get that spoon, and we get the 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. There we go. Put this in. Good. And we mash that up. Stir it. That's good. And now we do a little salt and pepper to taste. And a little black pepper. I get this from Trader Joe's. Good. And mix that out. And you need to mix this up a little more. Nice and creamy. Okay, now we get a little spoon. This one. And dollop this on here. And good. And we got a little more. I love this. This is such a great recipe. I make this for my family. It is a great little Easter appetizer. And there we go. Now we do a little, you can say garnish of paprika on the top. Do a little pinch, and it gives it a little colorful, and it makes it go to life. Good. A little more on this one, so it's a little more colorful, and that's what it looks like. I already have some ready, and this is what they look like. And I'm gonna try one. Okay. First off, this is very creamy. The paprika doesn't even taste like anything. And it's a great garnish. And all in all, it's super great. And this is a great appetizer. Make sure you guys comment down below if you like this. And like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And comment down below what I should make. So, see you guys next time. Bye.